I know you are bored with posting the same content again and again, and now you want to serve your audience. You want something different that won't betray your brand image but make you more connected with your audience. Hey guys, welcome to Onemaker Studio, where we want to sharpen your video production skills in as little time as possible. In this video, I'll tell you 10 plus easy YouTube video ideas for musicians that will blow up your channel in 2023, and also how Onemaker.io can help you achieve your goals. So, stay tuned. You might have your own different ideas to create your music album, but here are a few ideas to start with. First is a day in my life. You can either focus on your life as a musician or just a regular day in your life. Or you can do both. Daily vlogs can be as tedious if they are done well. Try to show the basic highlights of your day and keep it interesting and engaging and entertaining. Second, DIY music video. I have seen many musicians and artists doing this, and people seem to like them. Don't worry, it won't be time consuming. You can use Onemaker.io, do a time lapse, add effects, and whatever creative ideas. You can make a good idea with this platform. Music in your town. Talk about the music scene where you live. You can tell us a story. You can tell us about the nightlife. Record a few snippets of the concerts, open mics, or events in your area. Let the audience live through your eyes and through your story. Interview people. Create some questions and ask your producers, co-writer, your fans or family. That will be a great idea. That will connect your audience with a unique aspect of your life and how others view you. Share your story. Many other musicians want to get inspired by you. Do a Draw My Life or go to the old school and make an MTV Behind the Music special. You can be serious or funny, but tell us how you reach where you are right now. Album review. Did your favorite artist just rehearse a new album? Tell us about it. What are your favorite and least favorite tracks? You can use Onemaker.io tool to make your videos more effective, and also use music visualizer template to appeal the audience with creative ideas. Discuss some crispy music news. There's always interesting drama happening in the music industry. Tell us your opinion on it. Do you think Taylor Swift likes the India tool? Record a rehearsal. Your band rehearses right. Set a camera off to the side and let us see how it goes. If you're arguing, you're fighting, or loving, show us how you prepare for a show or recording sessions. We love to see behind the scenes. Talk about a song. Don't forget the main passion. This is great, especially if you have new creativity coming out. Tell us what inspired you to write it, to create it. Tell us what it meant to you. Last but not the least, make a remix of the popular song. It's always a great idea to create the remixes of the retro songs, the new songs which are coming out. People enjoy remixes. This is a new era where everything is remixing. How Onemaker.io can help you to achieve your goals. Now, with Onemaker.io, you can execute your ideas in no time and with just little investment or efforts. You can also find free projects. Also, you can make logo animation, music visualizers, audio visualizers, podcasts, slideshows, and much more. Anything you can imagine for a social media. You can also make the most stylish videos for your channel, just with some little edits, and we have detailed videos over the same. So, don't forget to like this video, share it, and let us know if you want us to create any video for you. Till then, bye-bye and happy creation.